E-commerce, it is also known as electronic commerce or internet commerce. E-commerce means buying and selling of goods, products or services over the internet. These services provided online over the internet network. Transaction of money, funds and data are also considered as e-commerce. So e-commerce is a commercial transaction which is happened over the internet. Online stores like Amazon, Flipkart, Shopify, Myntra, eBay, Quicker, OLX are the example of the e-commerce website. Let's see what are all the features has e-commerce. So these are the feature of e-commerce. 24 into 7 service availability. So e-commerce provides 24 into 7 availability, advertising and marketing. So e-commerce, how useful in advertisement and marketing means, so e-commerce increases the reach of advertising of products and services of the business. It helps in better marketing management of the product or services. So next is non-cash payment. So e-commerce or electronic commerce or internet commerce enables the use of credit card, electronic fund transfer via bank website. Next point is improved sales. So using an e-commerce, orders for the goods or products can be generated anytime, anywhere in the World Wide Web. Next is support. E-commerce provides various way to provide pre-sales and post-sales assistance to provide better services to the customer. What is pre-sales and post-sales? Pre-sales means if we are order some product, it gives the description of that particular product, when it will available, when it will arrive, so like that it will gives that description. And post sales means if we are not satisfied that product, we can, they will easily replace that. Next is e-commerce support automated business processing. So next is no boundaries. E-commerce, in e-commerce it doesn't matter where your business is located, you can sell to anyone in the world with e-commerce. Next is new customer. As I told, e-commerce doesn't have any boundaries, so that e-commerce offer you to greater possibilities of attracting a new customers. Next is inventory management. E-commerce automates the inventory management. Reports get generated instantly when it is required. So reports get generated when it is required. Next is disadvantages of the e-commerce. So first is security. How the security is comes under disadvantages, think of it. So online portal have been hacked by the cyber criminals or hackers. It is very serious issue, as your account might be hacked because of negligence. Next is site crash. Crash means e-commerce is fully dependent on internet connection. Site crash can happen if you do not have a good bandwidth connection. So good bandwidth connection means it requires sufficient internet connections. So next is no possibilities of tried and tested product. So customer is unable to try and test the product for his own satisfaction. People miss the tangible feeling, and there is always the fear that the product will not meet the standard they are expecting. Next is late delivery. So while ordering a product, the customer is assured that it will reach him in maximum 7 days or a particular time period. In most of cases, customers are kept waiting for the product. So next is some products are difficult to buy in online. Why? Because we need to touch, try, and test some products. So, for example, silver, gold, like that. Next is fear. So People fear the unknown. E-commerce transactions are mostly fearless and paperless. So, customer fear that if the desired product does not arrive, then they will lose their money.